Hello everybody, today I have an HVAC video for all of you. This particular video is going to be a December startup of my 2019 Carrier Performance Series gas-powered furnace. Now, I know I made a video of this furnace exactly 1 month ago, back in November, so I guess it's that time to do, once again, a monthly checkup on my gas furnace. So let's just make sure that everything is in good shape before we turn it on. Here's our vacuum switches and our hoses. Right here we have our draft inducer fan motor, which seems to be running freely. Got to make sure that the motor isn't seized. Right here we have our gas valve. And right here we have a high temperature limit switch. And as we move on down, we have our burners. There are 5 of them. Right here is our flame sensor. And of course right here on the left is our hot surface igniter. So, according to this, seems like a good furnace, and yep, I don't have any other words. Other than the fact that the draft inducer motor has a pretty awesome sound when it turns on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fire this furnace up for the first time this month. Alrighty guys, there it was, turning on for the first time this month. Everything seems to be running perfectly. Draft inducer motor is running freely, flames are getting sucked in, they're all stable, with occasional yellow flames at its tip, but everything else seems to be perfectly okay. You can see the flames in there. Our vacuum switches are closed. And yep, like I said, everything seems to be running perfectly. So, anywho, hope you enjoyed this video of a December startup of my gas-powered furnace turning on. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. And if you like the video altogether, then please be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you all very much for watching.